Mommy,
What are you making, Rick?
I'm making a boomerang paper airplane.
Oh, that's cool.
So you fold this in half, hamburger style.
Hamburger style?
Oh wait, what? I found this. And open it back up. And fold this one to the line, right here.
Okay.
And then just turn your paper and fold it in half and what's it? And fold it in half. Like what? Like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then open it back up. And then you fold 1/4 to the crease of the middle.
Okay.
So it should be like this. And after this, put the other one. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, what? Flatten it first. And then, oh wait, what? What?
You just have to hold it. Just hold it. Yeah. Yeah.
And then fold this corner, top corner, over here on the paper.
Okay.
So it should show like that.
Okay.
Turn the paper around and fold it in half.
Okay.
After you finish completing this, fold that top corner. So here of the plane. What?
Flatten it first.
Button first and then put it into.
Like this one.
I did this. Like this? What?
Like that.
What? It's not like this.
Then put it on the other side.
It's not like this. But it's not like this. See? It's not like this. You have to put that big. So it shows like this.
Okay.
And then it's like this. And then the other one. And then open it back up. And this is like the boomerang plane. Let me fix it. And then flatten it. And then open it up. And it's like what? Let me fix it. Let me fix it. It's supposed to be like this. So I can do like that and then the other side. So yeah. And then you open it back up. It's just like the boomerang plane. Last step. curve this corner to right here, and then it flies you back. And then you're done. And then you have to throw the plane.
There.
And it goes back to you. See, it goes back. Try it again. Oh my! Whoa! Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.